Good morning. Today I want to do a lesson for you about translating word expressions into algebraic expressions, word expressions into algebraic expressions. Let's talk about the vocabulary associated with that, okay? First of all, you have probably been used to dealing with numerical expressions in mathematics. You know, if it's a numerical expression, it has all numbers in it. For example, 5 plus 16. That's a numerical expression. It's got numbers in it, it's got operation signs in it. Then, if you have word expressions, it means that you have words involved, like the sum of 5 and 16. This one has numbers, this one has words. So then that gets us into understanding what algebraic expressions are. Okay, so if it has algebraic expressions, that means you've got a mixture of numbers and variables. And we know what a variable is. A variable is an unknown, and a letter, any letter, can represent that number. So it just varies in the situation because that's why it's called a variable. So an example of an algebraic expression might be something like x plus 16. It has variables in it, operation signs, and then also numerical values. So today what I want you to be able to do is to be able to translate word expressions. See up there our target? I want you to be able to translate word expressions into algebraic expressions. So in order to do that, you're going to be able to be comfortable with reading various words and translating them into specific operations. Remember that there's only 4 operations in math: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So some examples of some word expressions that you might see that would translate into some addition algebraic expressions might be something like the sum of 10 and x. And of course you would write that as 10 plus x. So other addition words might be added to, plus, and you probably know a lot yourself. Let's deal with subtraction. Words that go along with subtraction might be less or less than, fewer, minus, subtracted from, okay? Multiplication, words that go along with that might be times, multiplied by, the product of. I bet you know a lot more. Division words might be something like split or split evenly by. Per, and I bet that you know a lot more for division also. So I also want you to be comfortable with looking at this assignment today. Okay, so the directions say to do this. Translate any phrase below into algebraic terms and find your answer in the corresponding answer column. Write the letter of the exercise in the box that contains the number of that answer. Keep working and you will discover the answer to the title question. So you're going to look at the word expressions here and you're going to match them up to the algebraic expressions in the column right beside of them. So for example, on the first one it says 5 more than 2 times a number. So 5 more than would be an addition, 2 times means multiplication. So 5 more than 2 times a number would be 2x plus 5. So you'll go to box 10 and put in the letter N. I want you to practice this because I bet that you're already familiar with a lot of those words that will help you get the word expression translated into an algebraic expression.